Fiona Fire Engine. This is Fiona Fire Engine. Oh, what's happening now, Fiona?
The alarm went off. There's an emergency. I'd better get going.
It seems that there's a kitten that can't climb down from a tree. How will you get the cat down, Fiona?
I'll use my long ladder. Come on, little kitty. So now you're down again.
Fiona likes animals. She wants to see the animals in the zoo. What animals are here, Fiona?
There's the tiger, the crocodile, the elephant, and look, here comes Calamity Crow.
Hello, Fiona.
Oh, Calamity Crow got all muddy.
Don't worry, Calamity. I'll rinse you off with my hose.
Thanks, Fiona. It's good to have friends.